For the first page of questions, we're just looking for numeric factors. So when we look here, we've got 49a add 21. Both 49 and 21 are in the 7 times table. So 7 is the factor that they share. That goes in front of the bracket. To get 49, I times by 7. But it's not just 49, it's 49a. So here, my first time is 7a. To get 21, I multiply by 3. So I also have a 3 in the bracket. They're connected by a plus here. They must be connected by a plus here. 35 and 15 are both in the 5 times table. 5 is therefore our shared factor. To get 35, I do times by 7, but I also need my b. To get 15, I do 5 times 3. They're connected by a negative. 7b take away 3. Third one, 12 and 2 are both in the 2 times table. To get 12, I multiply by 6. 2 times 6 gives me 12. To get 2c, I do 2 times c. So my second part is just c. Minus in the middle, minus in the middle. Now here, 9 and 36 are both in the 3 times table, but they're also both in the 9 times table. So we go for the biggest possible factor. So 9 is a better factor than 3 because they share 9 or 3, but 9 is bigger. We'll go for that. 9. To get 9a, I do 9 times a. To get 36, I do 9 times 4. And don't forget the b. We've got a plus in the middle of that bracket. We've got 3 terms in this expression, but the same rule applies. They're all even, so they can all be divided by 2. They're all in the 3 times table, but they're also in the 6 times table. So when we've got the choice of 2 or 3 or 6, we're going to go for 6 because it's the biggest factor. So 6 goes in front. 6 times p. 6 times 5 to make 30, and then we've got a q. 6 times 2 to make 12, and then we've got an r, and both of those will be plus. 77, 33 and 11 are all in the 11 times table. To get 77, I times by 7, and then I've got a. To get 33, I times by 3, and then I've got a b. And here I just times by c, and both of those are negative. The last two are very similar as those.